I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question for my subscriber Ellen. Question number 9, page 440, Nelson, Trigonometry Review. Prove 2 secant square x minus 2 tan square x divided by cosecant x equals to sine 2x secant x. So for proving any identity, we should start from one side. Let us start from left hand side. Left hand side can be written as, I can take 2 common here, right, and write secant square x as 1 over cos square x minus tan square x is sine square x over cos square x. The denominator here is 1 divided by sine x. Now cos square x is a common denominator, so we get 1 minus sine square x in the numerator, which is 1 minus sine square x, and the common denominator here is cos square x. The denominator is 1 over sine x, which could be written as sine x over 1, correct? Now 2 times 1 minus sine square x is actually cos square x, so we can write this as 2 times cos square x, and we have times sine x divided by cos square x. Now the trick here is that do not cancel cos square x if you really want to go from left side to the right side. But on the other hand, rearrange it, right? So let me show you how to rearrange it, right? So let me go one more step here. We want sine 2x. Sine 2x is 2 times sine x cos x. So we'll write this cos x as just cos x. So we'll write this as cos x times cos x. Do you get it? Times sine x. I'm just adding this step to make things clear for you. And we have cos square x. So we'll cancel one of the cos x. You get the idea, right? And now let me continue. So from here we get 2 sine x cos x. This is the left side we are working on. Cos x divided by cos x, correct? Now 2 sine x cos x is sine 2x, and 1 over cos x is secant x. So that is how you can show it, right? Some teachers object that if you should not work from both the sides. Otherwise you could have solved from the right side and then got similar answers, correct? Now we can write this is equals to right hand side, correct? Now that is how you could do it. Some of you could actually utilize a Pythagorean trigonometric identity to solve in secant and tan, which is 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x, right? So difference between secant square x and tan square x is actually equals to 1, right? So you'll get 2 over cosecant x or 2 sine x on the right side, and you can simplify the right side also. So what you will get on the left side is 1 over cosecant x, or just sine x, right? And this also will be simplified to sine x, the right hand side, correct? So that is the alternate way of doing it, which is much simpler. But anyway, you can always solve straightforward without learning some of these, because I know some students don't remember these identities. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.